A single drone is on the verge of reshaping the balance of power in modern warfare, a machine so advanced it can track stealth aircraft once thought invisible. This is China's WZ-9 Divine Eagle, a revolutionary counter-stealth drone designed to neutralize cutting-edge stealth technology used by aircraft like the F-22 and F-35. With its unprecedented capabilities, it has the potential to disrupt decades of strategic dominance. But what makes it so groundbreaking? And why does it matter to global defense? In this video, we'll explore the WZ-9's extraordinary design, its impact on warfare, and how it's changing the rules of air combat. At first glance, the WZ-9 Divine Eagle looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Its twin-fuselage structure and immense size immediately set it apart from anything else in the skies. This design isn't just for show, it's a technical marvel. With a wingspan of approximately 50 meters, it dwarfs even the US RQ-4 Global Hawk, previously considered one of the largest drones in the world. The extra space isn't wasted either. It houses state-of-the-art radar systems capable of 360-degree detection, a necessity for tracking stealth aircraft that are designed to evade traditional radar. But the design innovations don't stop there. Operating at altitudes of over 20,000 meters higher than the operational ceilings of most fighter jets, the WZ-9 can sustain flight for over 30 hours. Imagine the strategic advantage of being able to monitor enemy movements in real time without the risk of human life or the limitations of manned aircraft. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of its design is its ability to detect and neutralize stealth technology. Modern stealth aircraft rely on minimizing their radar cross-section, making them nearly invisible to traditional radar systems. The WZ-9 flips this advantage on its head. Its advanced radar can detect these elusive aircraft at ranges of up to 500 kilometers, giving air defense systems critical early warning capabilities. So why does this matter? The WZ-9 isn't just a drone, it's a sensor platform, a command center, and an early warning system all rolled into one. It changes the rules of the game, forcing adversaries to rethink their strategies. And this is just the beginning. Let's move on to the broader implications of this technological leap. The WZ-9 isn't just a marvel of engineering, it's a strategic tool designed to challenge the status quo of global defense. For decades, the United States has relied on its fleet of stealth aircraft to maintain air superiority. Planes like the F-22, F-35, and even the upcoming B-21 Raider represent the pinnacle of stealth technology, giving the US a critical edge in modern warfare. But the WZ-9 threatens to erode that advantage. Think about it, stealth technology has been a cornerstone of military dominance. The ability to evade detection means you can strike first, operate in contested airspace, and gather intelligence without being seen. But what happens when that invisibility is no longer guaranteed? The WZ-9's advanced radar systems can detect stealth aircraft, providing real-time intelligence to air defense networks. This isn't just a defensive capability, it's a game-changing shift that could redefine how wars are fought. The implications extend far beyond stealth aircraft. The WZ-9's persistent presence in the skies makes it an unparalleled reconnaissance tool. Its ability to loiter for hours at high altitudes means it can cover vast areas, track enemy movements, and coordinate with other systems to form a cohesive defense strategy. And because it's unmanned, the risks are significantly reduced. Even if the drone is intercepted or destroyed, the loss is primarily financial, not human. But it's not just about countering stealth. The WZ-9 is part of a larger trend in modern warfare, the integration of autonomous systems. By linking with other drones and manned aircraft, the WZ-9 becomes a node in a broader network, enhancing situational awareness and enabling coordinated responses. This kind of networked warfare is the future, and China is positioning itself at the forefront. However, this technological leap also raises questions. How will other nations respond? Will they develop their own countermeasures, or will we see an arms race in drone technology? The answers to these questions will shape the future of global defense. For now, let's explore how the WZ-9 fits into the broader context of modern warfare. The WZ-9 isn't just a drone, it's a glimpse into the future of warfare. Its development reflects a broader shift towards autonomous systems and networked operations, where unmanned platforms play a central role in military strategy. But what does this mean for the battlefield of tomorrow? For starters, the WZ-9 scalability is a game changer. Unlike manned aircraft, which require extensive training, maintenance, and logistical support, drones like the WZ-9 can be produced in larger numbers. This makes them ideal for attritable operations, where losses are expected but can be quickly replenished. Imagine a fleet of these drones working in unison, providing a continuous flow of intelligence and overwhelming adversaries with sheer numbers. This sheer operational flexibility also makes it a cost-effective tool in prolonged conflicts, where sustaining air superiority is key. The WZ-9 also highlights the importance of redundancy in modern warfare. By integrating with other unmanned systems like the WZ-7 Soaring Dragon, it forms part of a dense network that's hard to disrupt. Even if one element is taken out, the system as a whole remains operational. This resilience is crucial in an era where electronic warfare and cyber attacks are becoming increasingly common. But it's not just about technology, it's about strategy. The WZ-9's ability to detect stealth aircraft forces adversaries to adapt. It shifts the focus from individual platforms to the broader system, emphasizing the importance of integration and coordination. In this sense, the WZ-9 isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for change, pushing militaries to rethink how they operate in contested environments. Additionally, the WZ-9 demonstrates how the interplay between manned and unmanned systems can redefine mission execution. While human operators retain control over strategic decisions, drones like the WZ-9 handle reconnaissance, target identification, and continuous monitoring, freeing manned assets for more critical missions. This evolution marks a new era of collaborative air power. Of course, there are challenges. Developing and deploying such advanced technology isn't cheap, and questions remain about its long-term scalability. But one thing is clear: the WZ-9 is setting the stage for a new era of warfare, one where the line between manned and unmanned operations continues to blur. The WZ-9 Divine Eagle is more than just a drone. It's a symbol of the rapid advancements reshaping modern warfare. Its revolutionary design, unparalleled capabilities, and strategic implications make it a game changer, challenging the dominance of stealth technology and forcing militaries worldwide to adapt. As we've seen, the WZ-9 isn't just about countering stealth. It's about redefining how we think about air defense, reconnaissance, and the integration of manned and unmanned systems. It's a glimpse into the future, where technology and strategy converge to create new possibilities and new challenges. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.